Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope everyone is fine. Today in this short video, we will be discussing about two different types of uh, foundations or footings. The one that is in front of you people, which is mostly used in load-bearing structures, it is strip foundation. You can look at this. It is just like a strip. Okay, so this is what we call the strip foundation. And another type that is just used for one single column or one single member. You can look at this one. This is used for only this column, so we call it a isolated footing. Okay, so this is an isolated footing, while this one is the strip footing. Now why do we use strip footing and why do we use isolated footing? So strip footing is basically used for all those structures where the wall load is also supposed to be transferred to the substrata. Here you can see this is a house foundation, and in this house foundation this is a column. Okay, so now this column has to transfer some of the load to the foundation, but basically in this house this column has to cater with the movement of this house, like the horizontal movement of this house will be catered by these columns. So there the column has two different mechanisms, like the main mechanism. One is to cater the horizontal moment, while another one is to transfer some of the load to the foundation. Basically in load bearing structures all the walls are made is load bearing, and the slab load is transferred to the walls and wall has to transfer it to the foundation. So to safely transfer the load to the foundation we have to use an RCC strip, and here you can see we have used it. Okay, so this was about strip foundation. Now in isolated footing is used where one single column has to carry a lot or a huge load, and that is supposed to be transferred to the substrata easily. So we are using an isolated footing for that column. Here you can see just for that single column you are using an isolated footing. So these were two different types of footings, the isolated footing and the strip footing. I hope so you would have understood, and there are too many other types as well, so you can comment those types, and I hope so I will be able to talk, or I will be able to make some other videos about those foundations as well. Thank you, and see you soon in any other videos. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.